3M Novec has left the marketplace. Production ended in 2025. Distributors like Best Technology no longer have access to Novec engineered fluids. If your validated cleaning or cooling process depends on Novec, this isn't a future issue. It's already here. Most teams wait and react. The teams that stay ahead map a replacement path early. In the next few minutes, I'll walk through a clear, low-friction way to protect continuity using BestSolv. We'll keep it simple. 3 replacement paths, why drop-in is realistic, and how to minimize requalification. Novec engineered fluids were primarily used in 2 areas: precision cleaning and vapor degreasing in manufacturing, and thermal management or dielectric cooling in electronics. What must be protected hasn't changed: materials compatibility, cleanliness, drying time, and safety. In regulated industries like medical device, aerospace, and electronics, the goal is continuity. Production delays, emergency change orders, and tougher audits often follow rushed transitions. Teams that delay also lose the opportunity to test and qualify replacements on their own timeline. Companies that act now protect throughput, maintain compliance, and avoid reactive decisions. Best Technology supports these transitions daily, so we know where teams get stuck and how to keep things moving. There are only 3 realistic replacement paths. Keeping this simple helps you move faster. Path 1. Exact molecule replacement. This option mirrors the Novec chemistry you originally qualified, keeping process changes to a minimum. Examples include BestSolv 7100 and BestSolv 7200, commonly used when specifications are locked. This path typically requires the least documentation and validation effort. Path 2. Similar molecule replacement. When an exact match isn't required, application-matched alternatives deliver comparable performance. Products like BestSolv Alpha or BestSolv Bravo offer reduced cost while maintaining effective solvency, drying behavior, and materials compatibility. Path 3. Next-generation PFAS-free replacement. For long-term regulatory planning, HFO-based solvents provide a PFAS-free path. Precision cleaning solvents like BestSolv Omega are designed for customers planning ahead for PFAS regulations while still protecting process performance. The selection logic is straightforward. Start with exact molecule, move to similar molecule if needed, and choose PFAS-free when your compliance strategy requires it. These fluids are engineered for existing equipment, so drop-in replacement is often achievable without hardware changes. A standard transition looks like this. Identify your current Novec chemistry. Review the BestSolv, TDS, and SDS. Test in your process, qualify, then implement. When timelines are tight, an accelerated path means directly mapping your Novec fluid to a BestSolv equivalent, running focused testing against key criteria, completing qualification quickly. Where teams run into trouble is assuming any solvent will work, skipping compatibility checks, or waiting too long to secure test volumes. A smart first step is requesting a bench sample of the BestSolv fluid matched to your Novec and validating it against your existing metrics. 3M Novec is gone. That part is no longer a decision. What matters now is how you protect your process. With BestSolv, you have clear replacement paths, reliable supply, and engineering support to move forward with confidence. The only decision you need to make today is which path fits your application: exact molecule, similar molecule, or next generation, PFAS-free. Contact Best Technology to map your Novec fluid to the right BestSolv option, secure documentation, and set your transition plan. You're not stuck. A clear path forward starts with a single call to Best Technology.